Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create the moving object using CapCut PC. Alright, so for example, I'm just going to add the image to the main track and I'm going to add a overlay. So for the overlay, I'm going to remove body background, just click add and select chroma key and select color and to remove. And I'm going to use eyes. To make a moving object, you are just going to select the basic, and for position and size you can find the keyframe button. So just click on it and make sure on the first frame just click on keyframe and swipe to the right, and you can change for position of the object and then swipe to the right again if you like, and do as before till the end of the clip. Okay, so on. Right, so here you go, this is the final result. That's how you can create the moving object using Keyframe and CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.